Here are my tasks and duties. Raking weeds is the process of getting rid of unwanted vegetation so that the space is tidy and ready for its intended use, which could be gardening, landscaping, or general maintenance. The procedure involves effectively collecting weeds with a rake. Make sure that waste and roots are removed to avoid regrowth and obstruction. Additionally, it could entail chores like weed sorting for composting or throwing them in the appropriate trash cans to cover the full designated area and keep it neat and functional. This task calls for concentration and accuracy. So this is my reflection and overall experience and memorable. So lifting the tray in the Finster was one of the most challenging and memorable experiences. Memorable experience I faced. The chair was unexpectedly heavy and confined space in the Finster added to the difficulty. Maneuvering required strategic planning, careful movements, and constant adjustment to ensure I did not damage the surrounding area or strain myself. This moment taught me the importance of preparation and using proper techniques when handling heavy objects in tight spaces. The experience also highlighted the value of teamwork, collaborating with others to lift and position the chair effectively made the task more manageable, and communication was essential as we had to coordinate every step and anticipate challenges such as navigating around obstacles. This taught me how crucial it is to rely and trust others when working towards a common goal. So this is the experience of raking wits. I learned the importance of patience, persistence, and attention to detail. The task required me to truly cover the assigned area, ensuring no wits was overlooked, which reinforced my ability to focus and stay committed to goal despite its repetitive nature. It also taught me the value of physical labor in maintaining a clean and organized environment, fostering a sense of accomplishment and pride in completing a task. Additionally, I developed a better understanding of time management as I learned to pace myself effectively to finish the work efficiently while maintaining quality. This experience highlighted the rewards of diligence and responsibility in even the simplest tasks.